Below is a regular polygon. Find the measure of one of the interior angles. So first we need to know the sum of all the interior angles of this particular polygon. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So the formula to find the sum of the interior angles. Sum of interior angles is 180 times n minus 2, where n is the number of sides that we have. So we have that is equal to 180 times 7 minus 2, which is 5. Which is equal to 900. So the sum of the interior angles is 900, but we're looking for just one of the interior angles. Since we know it's a regular polygon, we know all the angles are the same and all the sides are the same. So to find out, so one interior angle is equal to 900 divided by the number of sides, which was 7, which equals about 128.6 degrees. Find the measurement indicated in each parallelogram. In this particular one, we are looking for the measure of angle y, which is this particular angle. Since it is a parallelogram, we know for sure that these two sides are parallel, and these two sides are parallel. These angles here, angles W and angles X, form same side interior angles, so they are supplementary to each other. So we know that 2x plus 58 plus 122 plus 2x must equal 180 degrees because they're same side interior angles. So if we simplify here using some algebra, we can combine our like terms, and we get 4x plus 180 equals 180. So if we subtract 180 from both sides, we end up with 4x equal to 0. And in order for that to be true, x must be equal to 0. So if x is 0, that means that these angle measures are 58 degrees, and this one is 122 degrees. And that makes sense. 58 plus 122 is 180. Okay, but we're interested in angle y. Since it is a parallelogram, one of the properties is that opposite angles are congruent. So if angle W is 58 degrees, the measure of angle Y must also be 58 degrees. Given parallelogram MATH is a rectangle, what can you say about segment MT and segment AH? So given that it's a rectangle, what can we say about MT and AH? Well, MT and AH are the diagonals of this rectangle. And you might be tempted to say that they bisect each other, which is correct, but that's property of a parallelogram. The more correct answer is something that would be just specific to rectangles. So we can say that we know that rectangles have diagonals that are congruent. So we can say that segment MT is congruent to segment AH.